It's 6:45 on a Thursday. The I-Team is tracking crime trends where you live, so you know what's happening when you're not looking. And I've been sifting through pages of reports from police departments all over Western New York to make sure you're in the know. Niagara Falls police arrested a woman on Fall Street after they say she threatened a man with a knife. A man told police the woman came up to him, knife in hand, while he was walking home from the mini mart on 19th Street. He said this woman said, "You're a man. I'm going to treat you like a man." He was fearful for his life, called police, the woman was locked up, and an order of protection filed. In West Seneca, police say a family on Crownland Circle was concerned about a man driving a dark blue car coming to their house, claiming to have an appointment with them. Thing is, the family had no appointment scheduled. They thought it was suspicious, called police, and once police got there, they couldn't find anyone. Cheektowaga police reporting 2 different sex offense calls this morning, but the nature of these calls might be alarming for people who like to get a massage. The first was at Spa 505 inside the Walden Galleria, where a woman says she was touched inappropriately while she was getting a massage. I reached out to Spa 505. They did not return my call. Another woman says she was touched inappropriately by a masseuse at O'Shart Reflexology and Spa. I also reached out to that spa. They did not return my call either, but a police report was filed in that case, Katie.